Hi, my name's Allsop and I'm the director and founder of New Age Shutters. We are a family-run business incorporated in 2011. Our business specialises in the manufacture and supply of the highest quality bespoke shutters, all manufactured here in the heart of Kent. Producing the Allsop range here in the UK offers sustainable practices using renewable energy and recycled packaging while supporting the local economy. Having access to the right machinery to allow us to manufacture our product has been crucial to the success. Our UK factory has significantly reduced our clients' lead times and they are now able to offer a sustainable option. JJ Smith supply and maintain all of our workshop machinery, including a Comex CNC machining centre and a twin blade miter saw. This 4-axis machining centre has sped up our production significantly as it is able to undertake a number of different machining operations at one time. Prior to this, our team were initially doing different jobs on different machines or by hand, which was obviously time consuming and labour intensive. The new Comex CNC is able to quickly and accurately produce many intricate parts of the shutter componentry, including mortise slots, tenons, louver holes, channels for easy tilt systems and magnet holes. As a result, it has really helped us to improve efficiency of our factory. As you can see here, here's a nice example of the tenons that are produced on the CNC machine. We have a nice, you can see that, nice rib effect on the tenon so that when we put the glue on, it doesn't splurt out, leaving a nice finish. As you can see here, this is a panel that's in production. This particular panel actually has a hidden hinge system. So if we look at that, that's actually been routed into the style using our CNC machining centre. Paolo here is just preparing the louvers. He's loaded up the pins on one side and he's going to be gluing and tenoning the panel together. The style itself is all prepped up, ready to accept the magnets and ready to go. The Omega twin blade miter saw has streamlined the production of the frames, especially cutting the 45-degree corners which this machine automatically carries out. It has an electronically controlled CNC stop to set the required cutting length, a bi-directional clamping system and independent speed control which speeds up our production and produces accurate chip-free cuts. We're now onto the frame inside things. So once again we use a CNC twin blade miter saw for this. The cuts are very accurate. Actually is capable of producing anything from a 46mm frame cut all the way to a 76. So we cut our 46, 60mm and 76mm frames on this particular machine. Throughout the whole process of setting up this factory, the customer service from JJ Smith has been superb compared to the other machinery companies we've worked with in the past, especially the after sales. Whenever our team have had a question, the response has been efficient and always helpful. Great company and providing first-class machinery will be returning in the future when we are due to expand. Our team has plans to potentially purchase more CNC machines for the future to help us expand and cope with the growth and the production of our UK shutters.